Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you've seen Avant, Soap and Glory and Liberty. Now I have a wee surprise. It's just arrived. This is Harrods. Yeah, we weren't expecting it either, but here it is in all its glory. So we're going to do, or rather I'm going to do unboxing and show you what's inside. So let's get into it. So this is Harrods of London, and it's called 12 Days of Hair and Body Advent Calendar 2025, and it's worth £99. It says the Harrods 12 Days of Hair and Body, Advent Calendar is packed with 18 hair care and body care favourites from our beauty hauls to get you pampered from head to toe ahead of the big day, including 9 full-size offerings and a claw clip. You can enjoy iconic products to treat your tresses from shampoo, Orib and Drybar, including a voucher for your next blow dry, as well as sweet-smelling body care favourites from Soldier De Niro and We. We spell O-U-A-I, just in case you're wondering. All that's left to decide is when to open it. We won't judge you if it's too good to wait. That's what it says. And I won't judge you either. I'm just here to show you what's inside. So if you want to have a sneak peek before Christmas, if you want to get it, carry on watching the video. If you don't want to know what's inside and you want to just buy it and have it as a surprise, stop watching the video now. Okay, there's your two choices. So let's get straight into it. So it comes with one of these. It's a booklet all about it. When you get it, you'll see what I mean when I say the writing is tiny. So you'll need good reading glasses for that. It's tiny, or a microscope or something. It's tiny. Anyway, here it is. Now, points to note. It actually looks, that's what Harrods looks like on a box. Okay, that's exactly what it looks like. If you've ever been to London, you'll know that's what Harrods looks like. If you haven't been to London, there you are. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to open it up carefully, like that. Ta-da! And for the purposes of ease, I'm going to bring it over to you so you can see it properly. There you are. Right. The numbers on the boxes are very tricky to see, but I'll do my best. So we've got to find number 1. So not forgetting this is the 12 days. Okay. So it's not as, maybe not as big as some of the others, but it's Harrods. So yeah. So this is number 1, and I'll show you what I mean by the numbers are tiny. Yeah, that's the number 1, and it's in gold and it's tiny. You've really got to look for it. Yeah. And what's interesting about the design as well, it looks like the windows in Harrods, as you can see. Anyway, this is number 1. So I've actually got a product list here. So I'll tell you what's in them. There's 18 products in all. I am going to put up a screenshot. Sorry, I had a camera there. I'm going to put a screenshot somewhere up here. Any moment now it'll appear. There it is. Of the of the products from the website, so you can see exactly what you're seeing. So in number 1, we've got, it's easy if I just come up to the camera, isn't it, and show you. So we've got Lancaster. This is looks like Sun Beauty body milk, water resistant. So it's sun protection factor 30, high protection, Lancaster. So it's that one. And you've also got, what is this one? Jeune Baird, I believe that's how you pronounce that. Little Love body lotion. So it's Jeune Baird. That's what was in number 1. So I'll tell you what I'll do. As I'm looking at them, I'll put the items out so you can see them. How's that? So, yeah. So if we do this, then you can actually see the items as I take them out. So that's 2 of them so far. So now we've got to find number 2. And as I say, it's very tricky. Number 2, where are you? There's number 2, right there. Okay, a teeny tiny number 2. So in number 2, we have, this is Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler Base Coiffant Demilante, 147 mil. Right there. It's there. And I'll tell you at the end, if I can, will it actually does it actually tell me? Okay, so it doesn't actually tell. I was hoping it would tell me the prices. Oh, there's something else in here actually. There we go. Oh yes. So this is Money to Blow, £20. That's a play on words. £20 off a blow dry at Harrods. Is that Harrods? Valid at Dry Bar UK shops. Oh, there we go. So you've obviously got to book it in advance. Dry Bar. And it's there. If you fancied a blow dry, there we are. So I'll leave that there. So that's 2. So number 3. Number 3. Where are you? Gosh. Or is that not? Number 3, is it? No, that's number 2. So where's number 3? 4, 7, 10, 5. Ah, it's hiding at the top. I told you these numbers were tricky. Here's number 3. So let's have a look. Number 3, what do we have? This is Glow Hub Facial Serum, 30 mil. Let's take it out of its box so you can see it. So it's Glow Hub Facial Serum, 30 mil. Hope you can see that. There we go. Okay. So I'll pop that there. Okay, so far? Excellent. Number 4. so Number 4, this is shampoo. So obviously shampoo. Pitta Growth Serum by Shampoo, formulated to thicken, volumize and strengthen hair, 30 ml. Yeah, so this is shampoo. Put that there. Good. So next is number 5. Number 5. They certainly don't make it easy to open these boxes, as you can see. And this is the Ordinary Body Care Hydrates and Oils. Natural moisturizing factors, inulin body lotion, 240 ml. It's called the Ordinary Body Care. There we are. Good. Okay so far? Lovely. Next, number 7. Yeah. Hang on, have I missed one out? Oh, I have. Yes. 6. I do beg your pardon. 6. So number 6, right. So this is the hair grip. Self-explanatory, I think. That's your hair grip. Right there. And you have this is by Mini Melista, a hair scrunchie as well. So we'll put that there. Okay. So hair clip, hair scrunchie, and we'll carry on. Number 7. Number 7. Right, this is one of my favourites, actually. This is Soldier De Niro. One of the best sellers on the market right now. Well, 39 is the best seller on the market, I think, at the moment. Anyway, Soldier De Niro. We have number 76 right there. And I can tell you, it smells lovely. I know that for a fact. We also have Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by Soldier De Niro. Right there, which is also lovely. So we'll put those, actually you can see them there, can't you? Quite happily. Yeah, good. If we move these back a bit, then you'll be able to see clearer. Yeah, there we go. That's lovely. Perfect. Now we're into the higher numbers. So we need number 8. So number 8, and we have, this is Hair Gloss Brilliant and Cheveux. This is 1.8 ounce. One of those. And we have the hair oil Huile Capillaire. And this one is 13 mil by Oui. So that's those, but both by Oui. Okay. All right, just talking amongst yourselves for a second. I'm just looking for number 9. Found it. Okay, number 9. So, number 9, this is by Gisot, I believe it is. Honey infused lip oil. It's watermelon by Gisot. Right. That's sealed. I won't take it out because it's sealed. That will go there. This is number, let's see, yeah, number 10. Almost there. So number 10, and we have Oribe Super Shine Hydrating Shampoo, and we have conditioner as well. So the shampoo and conditioner by Oribe, side by side. There we go. Number 11. So number 11, this is by Wow. Raise the Root Thicken Lift Spray, 50 ml. Color Wow. There we go. Pop that there. And last but not least, number 12. Number 12 is by Vieve Skin Dew Glow Multitasker. And we can look inside here because it's not sealed. YouTube. So Vieve, or Viv, however you want to pronounce it, Skin Dew Glow Multitasker. This is a tiny one. There we go. And we'll put that in front. So there you have it. This is the Harrods 12 Days of Christmas Hair and Body Advent Calendar, unboxed for you to have a sneak peek if you want. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did presenting it. Not much more to say about that. If you need any further questions answering, go to the website. Your the screenshot's still there. That's all the products there, and you'll find all the information, including prices, at your fingertips. In the meantime, all that remains for me to do is say, be nice to whoever you meet today. Nice kindness always repairs kindness, and that's about it, really. I'll see you for the. I will be doing the spray off, by the way, because if you remember the Liberty calendar that I unboxed in a previous video, had at least 7, possibly 8 scents, if I remember. So we will have a scent war and comparison with other scents. So look out for that. Have a lovely day. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.